How to turn off WPS Office ads on your Android phone. This tutorial will show you the quickest method. First, locate the WPS Office app on your phone. Then, tap and hold the app icon. After that, you can see More feature. Tap on it, and tap the App Info icon. Inside the App Info page, look for Data Usage and Wi-Fi, Network Access, or a similar option. Tap on it. The name may vary depending on your Android version. Open it, then turn off both Wi-Fi and mobile data access for WPS Office. After that, tap Confirm the changes. Next, go back to the App Info page and tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data, then confirm the prompt. Now, open WPS Office again and complete the initial setup if prompted. Since the app no longer has internet access, most in-app ads should no longer appear. Keep in mind that some versions of WPS Office may still show limited promotional content, and the only official way to completely remove all ads is by upgrading to WPS Office Premium. That's it! You've successfully reduced WPS Office ads on your Android phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Android tutorials.